Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Market Misfits. If you're not part of Market Misfits, be sure to come over to Market Misfits, where we're giving crypto news and analysis daily. So we're dropping signals. We've dropped this on ETH in the group. So all kinds of news, all kinds of analysis of more coins. I know we go over XRP a lot, which we're going to be going over here in just a minute. We're going to be taking a look at XRP and the XRP versus Bitcoin chart. We're also going to be looking at XLM. We're going to take a look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, altcoins, and we're going to be looking at this article with the XRP ETP. But first, let's take a look at the coin market cap data. So the fear and greed index has a slightly, you know, trailed back just a little bit. Yesterday, we were at a 75, getting really close to over here. So this is coinciding with us being at this support. So we can get a little bit closer, a little bit further over here. This would be good because there's a lot of tension right now in the market with sentiment because of where Bitcoin is. But first, before we go any further, let's take a look at this article, then we'll get into the charts. XRP ETP trading starts on Swedish stock exchange. So this is the second largest stock exchange in Sweden. So, Sweden is known worldwide for their banking and for their currency. Their whole everything revolves around this. So this is a big deal for those of you that are new. We've covered what ETPs are several times here on the channel, and ETP is plain and simple. It's just a broader instrument than an ETF. So an ETF can be an ETP, or an ETP could be ETF, but an ETF can't be ETP. So this is a bigger. It just covers more than an ETF does. Why it doesn't get as much exposure on media, I'm not sure, but the functionality and use case are essentially the same. Prominent European digital asset manager Valor has finally introduced an XRP exchange traded product ETP, listing it on Nordic Growth Market exchange based in Sweden. Valor announced this development through a press statement on Thursday via its official website. Per the statement, Valor has listed two new crypto-based ETPs on Nordic Growth Market exchange, featuring XRP and Binance. So here we go. Here's the article here. We are proud to announce two additions to our product range, Ripple XRP and Binance. Notably, this development came a few months after Valor, a subsidiary of DeFi Technologies, first disclosed an intention to welcome an XRP ETP. An XRP ETP commenced trading. So this happened on February the 21st, so just a couple of days ago. The company highlighted that Valor Ripple XRP would allow investors to access exposure to XRP easily and securely through their bank or broker. Furthermore, Valor emphasized that XRP holds a market capitalization of nearly 30 billion, securing its position as the sixth largest cryptocurrency worldwide. The company underscored XRP's pivotal role in facilitating fast, cost-effective intercontinental money transfers. Moreover, Valor highlighted XRP's function as a bridge asset within Ripple's payment network, enabling smooth currency exchanges on a global scale. Given this widespread utility, Valor noted that XRP has emerged as preferred option for financial establishments seeking efficient alternatives to conventional cross-border payment mechanisms. Top executives react. So reacting to this new addition, Oliver Rousey Newton, CEO of DeFi Technologies, remarked, Valor has recently added Ripple XRP and Binance BNB exchange traded products, ETPs, to its line of investment offerings. This move is a significant development in the company's mission to provide easy and accessible investment options for digital assets, making it simpler for investors across Europe to invest in these cryptocurrencies. So it's not just about Sweden, but all of Europe. Furthermore, the CEO expressed that the endeavor transcends mere product expansion, noting that it signifies a strategic step toward democratizing finance. Love this right here, democratizing finance. Notably, Nordic Growth Markets is a prominent stock exchange in the Nordic region, boasting over 30 years of expertise. It facilitates trading over 40,000 instruments, including bonds, equities, and derivatives across Sweden, Finland, Denmark, and Norway. Okay, so that's pretty impressive. And we are starting to see some movement out of XRP. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real fast, and we're going to see where we're sitting here as far as the price action goes. So we're looking at the 1 hour time frame right now, and these are the levels that we were looking at, but really more so we are looking at this 1 hour fair value gap. So there's an imbalance, a giant imbalance right here. So it did get shrunk up quite a little bit, but not a whole lot. You can tell by the distance right here between this wick and where this zone starts, like that's not a whole lot. So this is a massive gap right here. And so we're watching this level down here around 49,300 because there's a lot of liquidity down here for people going long right now. So with the price action right now, we had a descending broadening cone on the hour. So here it is right here. We actually had a breakout. So we're looking for right now on Bitcoin is to see if this level right here is going to hold around 50,860. So to be more bullish, we want to see this get rejected somewhere along here and break this structure point right here at around 51,137 on the hour. So these other marks are just where we've been keeping track in the group each time that we've swept liquidity. So, we are primed up on Bitcoin and it's just ready to either dump or to skyrocket, maybe both. So another option would be for us to go down and clear this out right here. Maybe even take out this liquidity down here around 49,150 and then see a move back up. We're closely keeping an eye on this, and so we're keeping everyone posted in the group. So make sure to come over to the group. It's absolutely free. You can find us on Facebook, Market Misfits Academy. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. So we're still coming off of this resistance trend on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. So we've seen quite a few altcoins taken off. So here's our pattern right here. So this was a descending triple tops because each top is lower than the next. So before these break out, you don't ever know which way they're going to break out, of course, but this was essentially an equidistant triangle. So we're just waiting for the break. We had this daily resistance trend. Here we had another equidistant triangle that we covered on the last review. And so we've continued to see Bitcoin dominance go down. At the same time, we've seen our daily bullish breakout of the bull flag continue to go up for altcoins. So we're seeing a lot of altcoins start to surge, even some of the smaller market cap projects. We first caught this down here. One of the things that makes me think that there's a chance that the bull run may actually be on is because we're seeing a lot of these smaller market cap projects start to take off. Now, not in any way saying that I think that Bitcoin is just going to go up from here, because obviously there are corrections, and a lot of times before the halving we get a big sharp jab out of Bitcoin down to the downside. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum's also been in the spotlight because of all the hype from the Ethereum ETF speculation. It's not just speculation, but it's in the making. So we got our breakout here of our descending wedge. So, and also here on the 4 hour, we got a 4 hour bullish engulfing right here. Let's take a look at XLM real fast, and we'll let's look at XLM real fast, and then we'll go over to XRP. I wanted to look at XLM because XLM, as we went over on one of our last reviews, as we went over on our past review, that they initiated smart contracts with XLM. And so XRP is still yet to do anything like this. So just wanted to highlight this spring right here. So this is showing that buyers are hungry for XLM, and actually right now, and it has been this way for the past few days, the XLM has been passing XRP in growth, not by a whole lot, but it's been significant enough. We'll still look at the XRP chart, and we'll be able to tell on that chart how much further XRP retraced right here. So as you can see here on XRP 1 hour, so this is the same time frame, and this is the same spring. So for those of you not familiar, a spring is a technical term for basically a clearinghouse of liquidation before a move in the other direction. Now Bitcoin sentiment, of course, is going to be playing a role in this, But one thing that we're also looking at right now is the XRP versus Bitcoin chart. So we were getting some price action, some structure right here yesterday, and it was looking like we could come up and create a triple bottom right here, but we did not. So we had 1, 2, and then was looking at a third right here, but it didn't happen. So now we're back down closer to this daily support. Here you can see that the bulls came in marching as we started to approach this right here. So, if Bitcoin sentiment happens to flip and we get down to this daily trend at the same time, let's go to the daily. If all this happens at the same time, so you can see here on the daily that each time that we've come to this trend on the XRP versus Bitcoin chart, that we've come at least to the center of the channel. Several of the times we came obviously through the other side to the other side of the channel. So here we stopped mid channel and went up. Here we hit the bottom right here and went up. And then here was our first rejection. We actually caught this as the rest of the market actually was retracing a little bit, and XRP started to move by itself. So for XRP investors, this is a chart that holds great significance because they view XRP as standing out alone away from Bitcoin. So they want to be independent from Bitcoin. So this chart is very significant. So we just got a 4-hour bullish pin bar as actually engulfing right here. So these last 4 hours were greater in buying than selling to the previous 4. So here we are down near this trend. We're looking for a move up to this center trend here. Is it going to happen? Only time will tell. Let's go back to the XRP chart real quick. Let's take a look out on the daily time frame. So you can see our inverse head and shoulders. So we had posted this, it was last week that we posted this early in the week, and it has played out to an extent, but also keeping an eye on this. Keeping an eye on this pattern right here. So this is an area right here that I like to refer to as the order block, because once short-term buyers start selling off, the long-term buyers come in here and generally will continue to push the market up. So that's why I call it the order block. So short-term buyers, boom, they get their pump, they sell, then the longer term guys come in right around this area. Also, this area is very crucial because if we break down below this, then that voids this pattern right here. It doesn't mean that it wouldn't play out, but it would have a lot less it would have a lower probability of playing out. Something else that could happen is we could come down here and sweep this liquidity. So the liquidity is sitting at around 51.5 cents. Also down here at this spike down here around 48 cents, 48.5 cents. So would not doubt at all to see a jab to come clear all this stuff out and to make a move higher, but is that going to happen? Only time will tell. What I'm going to be watching for on the daily is a close for XRP above 56 cents. So basically anywhere up here 57 cents on a daily close for XRP, that would be a strong sign that we could be heading back up here. We have the signal with the parameters and everything inside the group. You guys make sure to come over and check us out. We're trading all kinds of altcoins inside of the group. So anyways, that's going to do it for this one, you guys. We will see y'all on the next one. See ya.